Do you also want to change your laptop or PC wallpaper? Right-click on the desktop. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop to open a menu. Select Personalize. Choose Personalize from the menu. A new window will open. Choose Background option. Click on Background from the left side. Select Wallpaper. Here, you will see different options. Picture. Select any picture you have saved on your laptop. Slideshow. You can set multiple images to display as a slideshow. Color. You can also choose a simple color. Change wallpaper. If you are selecting a picture, click on Browse and choose your preferred image. Set wallpaper. After selecting the image, it will appear as your desktop wallpaper. And if you also want solid color background, so go to Personalize option and select solid color and choose your color, and that's it.